Yeah, let's wait for a second. For a few seconds exactly. Yeah, and we are live. Hey everybody, how's it going? Yeah, it's been a while since we had the last stream, and I'm really excited to start this one once again and continue build our amazing financial literacy telegram bot, which is gonna help a lot of people. I really hope, because right now we're just building this really small thing. It's not really secure, it doesn't have really data consistency and stuff. But anyway, we will proceed our coding. And the purpose of the stream is to like finalize adding expenses and incomes. And also I want to add such thing as like every user has its own data, because we have like a common data for everybody, and it's not really cool thing, you know. And also I'm gonna add monthly stat, like a really simple one, like using text, but this tag, this like stats is going to be presented in our bot. I really hope that we will pull it off like today, and like this is how we're gonna start. I'm gonna show you code I'm just reading like I don't know a few days ago, and because it's gonna take less time to implement right now because I already know how to do shit. And I show you. I'm stashed. Oh god, give me a sec. It's cool right now. And let's go to the terminal, and I just gonna stash apply everything I've created, and I just wanna tell you about everything, like everything I had. And I have done, yeah, I have this one, and let's go to the like changes, and I want to show you what I've done. Yeah, just it's really simple one where when the user just like enter transaction command, we're going to check like for user's name, not like it was before we were given all of the data we have about transaction to the user, which is not really secure. Probably, you know, some user doesn't wanna see, doesn't wanna like I don't know, expose their data like to the outside world, and this is why I made this thing. It's a really simple one. And also I added an error, like if you don't have transaction, you're gonna have this one, like you don't have transactions. And it's kind of it. I didn't implement anything for delete, as I recall, but it doesn't really matter, because if person doesn't see somebody's transactions, the person is not able to delete them. Yeah, it's really obvious one. I think it's gonna save us a little bit more time today, and I just want to show you how it's working, how this shit is working, and then we will proceed. Most likely we're gonna check everything out once again, like right now, and then we are going to implement monthly stats. Like it's kind of it. I don't want to make this stream really long enough, and I'm greedy once again because I didn't bought like a second screen. But anyway, we will do this in the future, and let's get started with something. Oh god, I love those kind of things. Can I delete all of the stuff? Unfortunately, I can't. Lol. Yeah, I don't want to stop streaming at all. Yeah, this is our bot we'll be testing. Let's get to the second app. And we have two apps here. Now let's go to transaction for this users. It's my account, personal account, and this one like a fake one. And the user, yeah, of course. First of all, we need to start our server, and then we can check everything out. And yeah. I'll try to don't talk about redundant shit today. Maybe it's gonna be faster. Okay, let's go to transaction. We have one transaction, we can go to this one, and the user doesn't have transaction. Now let's add some new thing. I really forget how to add them. No, let's for myself. Like I wanna add like a $100 American dollars, like for I don't know, for textbooks, like in English, let's say in this way. And here you go. We're gonna have something. You added textbook as an income, and we can go to transaction and see our thing. And as you can see, we don't see anybody's like transactions. And if we're gonna go to transaction for this user, the another user is not going to see my transaction. And it's kind of really simple security. It's not even security, it's like really obvious thing everybody should know about. And yeah, it's kind of it. Like this user can delete its own things. Like transaction doesn't have transaction. I can delete a transaction for this user. And this user doesn't have transaction anymore either. Neither. Yeah, it's kind of it. And the purpose of this stream is just to add some daily stats, like using stats command. Let's say in this way. And I really forget what I'm gonna tell you. But okay, never mind. Yeah, I wanted to see whether we have something in like a timestamp in our database, because I really want to have some timestamp to check everything out and have it. Okay, let's add something. And here we go. We have like a textbook here, and we have this one. And what do we have? We don't have like. I want to have like when this recording, this document was created. Let's Google like a Firestore and created that. I guess like because I really want to say this one. Managing this one, yeah. Let's go and get it. I guess the best way to make it is just create our own timestamp, because I don't want to have a pain in my ass. I don't want to have it at all. Yeah, this is what we have right now. And let's go to our lovely code that we didn't finish yet. Yeah, we're gonna add something, and then we're gonna have like, I don't know, we're gonna have created that. And this one is like, yeah, it will be even either probably if we will add some custom things. Like you probably forget about how like get to add your expenses or incomes, and then you can use like our like action string to add like a custom one. And if we gonna use like a internal Firebase like a timestamp, we're not going to have it anyway. We will need this one in the future. And let's do this in this way. It's really simple one, and it's really obvious one as well. And this is what we have. Yeah. Let's go to the, oh god, it's not my thing. Yeah, we need to have like a, do we have transaction here? No, I want to delete everything. Yeah, it's in real time, okay. And I want to add some transaction. Or we'll need to add some templates. It will be really easier. Oh god, I'm just taking everything up. Yeah, we added this one, and this one has like a created at timestamp. It's timestamp, yeah, of course timestamp. The right one. And yeah, here you go. This is what we have. And we're gonna check everything out using our timestamps. I think this account more clean. I'm gonna use this one, because I'm not using this account at all. Yeah, it's redundant information anyway. And let's check everything out. Like, I don't know. Let's try this. I really forget about how to check everything out. Okay. Like, I want to check everything for this month. How can I do this? I don't really know. But anyway, we will need to do something important, I guess. Of course, we can do something here, but it's not going to be like a separation of concern or single responsibility principle, because if we're gonna have transactions and we're gonna have like our transactions and the stat about this transaction, it's not gonna be like a single responsibility principle. At least I think it's about this way. Let's create a helper. Let's call it. I don't really know in which way we're gonna call this one. And this like the purpose of this one. This one is going to like sum all of the stuff. Like this one is going to take like, it's going to take our transactions, and it's going to give us some stats, like a get stats. I think let's call it stats, and it's not a parser. I'm gonna have a stats, get stats, transactions, yeah. Let's get stats. It's makes more sense, I guess. And let's export this get stats. And do we have types or something? Yeah. we have. And also we need to create that. Like it's going to be date, and it's always going to be present in our object. It's supposed to be present in our object. Now let's do some typing here. It will be really cool. We have some typing here. And those are our data. Yeah, this is what we have. Okay, as transaction. Transaction. Yeah. I just want to make some types right here because it's really easier to see everything. Yeah, of course it is. And what are you doing? What do you mean? Okay. Yeah, I got it. But it doesn't make sense. Okay, I get it. It's not working this way. Okay. And I really forget what I wanted to do. Yeah, I want to create something that's gonna get stats. And we will take transactions. Transactions. I want to make a stat for the whole time for the first time. And then we'll see. Transactions. Oh god, this word. Yeah, VS Code is going to help me a lot. Now let's copy and paste this thing, and we're going to create a task to make some isolated testing. Yes, it really sucks when you don't have it. And let's like describe our stuff. It's cat stats. This is how we were doing right here. Yeah. Okay then. Let's drink a little bit of water. And let's take a look what somebody was with us now. There's not anybody here. We're alone. And like it should return what it's supposed to return. It's supposed to return stats object, I guess. I don't really know how it's supposed to look like, but it will. And let's create a new one, and let's stats object. Stat object for the whole period of time, I guess. Yeah, it's kind of it, I guess. Should return stat object for the whole period of time, and should return stat object for the months for the specific amount of time. No, I think for the specific period of time it will be cool. And I think we need to figure out how to make this thing working. For transaction. For transaction, what is it going to be? I want to omit alarm. Create that. This is what I want to omit. And we are going to return the same thing. Yeah, it's cool. Let's run our tests to make sure they passing. And we will go further. I guess they are passing. At least like a post transaction test. Oh god. It's something weird. Yeah, it's supposed to have timestamp anyway. Yeah, I'm not going to mock everything here. It doesn't make sense for now. It's gonna take a lot of time to mock. And we are not going to mock everything. And here we have power transaction. I guess let's refresh it once again, and we're not going to have it anyway. Like, yeah. It's kind of right, but it should parse. Yeah, it should. Yeah, I got it. I got how this is working. But it's supposed to work in any way. Yeah. Let's add this once again. Yeah, probably need to fix our parse thing. It will be more better way, I think. And why we're parsing? Cause okay, got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, well, let's refresh it once again. I just want to think about it more properly, I guess. Yeah, I like Telegram. I like it. I really like it. Anyway, we don't need this one anymore. And what should I do is, like, I want to go to the parse thing. Why are we using parse? Like a parse something? Because I really want to know. And let's parse. I don't know. I don't have anything. Parse transaction. And it's a completely cool one. So I shouldn't think about it a lot. Because if we're parsing something, yeah, it's even more like a. Where is that? Oh god, I forget the word. I really forget the word. Reasonable. Yeah. And yeah, here we go. And we have transaction here. And if action doesn't have anything, like, okay, let's create a date here. New date. And new create that, I guess. New date. Yum. At least I guess it's working. Yeah, it's cool. But probably gonna have some side effects here in our tests. Pass this one once again. No, we don't have them. Okay. Anyway, we should think about it more properly. And this is our stats. And first of all, like create a task. I need to know about everything. Like we have a specific period of time. Okay. How can I check for the date? Hmm. Yeah, let's create a date. And there's a lot of helpers there. And we have like cat day, I guess. Like I wanna have a date. Date. Date, yeah. Not like a day, a date. Yeah. It's 19. Okay. And I wanna get like, let's say I wanna get something. Not really, let's create a new one. Let's create a task. Like we have input and it's going to be like transactions. Transactions. Yeah. And I'm gonna have ID. Or should I have ID? I don't really remember. Let's make it in this way. And I want to have amount, let's say 10. Currency, I don't know, string. It's not gonna be a good one. And also gonna have like a tag. And tag is, it's gonna be like a food, and created at it's gonna be like, I really forget about this one. How this one is working, like the order of arguments. I really forget about this. Yep, kind of. A year, month, and a day. I guess this one is supposed to work. And description, it's not like mandatory, but it is. It's supposed to be like a string. I don't know, let's say like a cheese, just for consistency, and milk. Yeah, it's one. It's right one. And what kind of out we want to get from it? It's supposed to have like another data structure. It's gonna be stats, maybe stats, like a total amount. It's going to be total amount, total income, and total outcome. Total expenses, yeah. And I guess that's it. I really hope that's it. And date. Not like a date, like a total transactions. Do we have the data? No, we don't need them. So I will use like a stats. I'm gonna have stats. Yeah, right. No, I can do this in this way as well. It will be kind of cool. And we have total income. Yeah, let's add a few more ones. Like or maybe let's add something else. Like, because if we're gonna add something once together, it's not gonna be like a useful one. So I think we should make it better. Okay, here we're gonna have a car, like a fuel, and let's add a new one. It's going to be better because I want to make them by category, and it will be really cool. And here we go. We don't have anything. Like this one is going to be apartment. Yeah, it's a really cheap one. I want to have description here. Yeah, let's make it more like a viable, I think, more realistic one. And yeah, this is the first test. It's going to be skipped. Yeah, let's skip the test. And I want to create an output. This one I want to get stats. And this is gonna be total expenses. Or, I think it shouldn't be in this way. Let me think. I think it would be cool to have like this. We have an object. It seems more easier. How do we know that this is expense? It's weird. How do we know? How do we know that this one is an expense? It's not an expense. Yeah, this is a really important thing. Yeah, let's start the server. Yeah, I don't have. As income. Yeah, I'm adding this one as an income. Okay. And I want to make it as outcome. I'm gonna go to transaction. Yeah, this is what I wanted to check. Yeah, it's working completely cool. I want to have it like everything in the same time. And also I want to have like an income. No, salary, I guess. Yeah, I have everything in one day. It's not a really cool one. Yeah, I think it's more realistic, I guess. Total income. What is total income? Like this one, total. Expenses are like those ones. Not really like that. It's not working this way. Like this is going to be like a salary, or like how to design the data structure. Let's design this in this way, and we will see. Like a total income. It's like a job, I guess. Yeah, job is better. Total income and total expenses are 0, and we have a car. Total income is 0, and outcome is 20, and we have food. Yeah, we have food. We really have really cheap food, and we have town and 0 expense. It seems that's it. Did I miss something? Yeah, of course I did. I can, and I did. And I have a description here. And now I don't need description. Yeah, this one is kind of full one. I want to have a little bit more different stat. I want to have like this one, like let me do this in this way. And so you can see I'm not writing anything. I'm not writing implementation. I'm trying to design everything, but it sucks. Stats. This is like not stats. Transaction category. Transaction stat. And we will have like a stats, I guess. It's not the right way, I think. Stats. It's like I have a transactions. I have this one. I don't know, does it make sense? Or something? Let's go to this one. Yeah, hey Rufat. Nice to meet you once again. I was thinking I'm alone here, but I'm not alone. I'm doing some shit and talking to myself. This is what I can and what I do. Like a total number, transaction sum. I wanna show this one, and transaction like an income, number, and expenses. Yeah, just once. And this is what we will have here. And like stats. Yeah, it's stats. Why is working this way? And those are transactions. Yeah, make it something complicated, I guess. It's not complicated, but it has some data structure. Yeah, we'll see. It seems like it's a good one. It's really easy to see what kind of thing you're doing. And yeah, it's really easy to see. And also we need to do like we should put like a transaction sum here, like a sum of all of the transactions. I really forget about the word in English. It's like all of the monies that are going through company or through your business or something like that. And this one, this transaction sum is, those are all the money that you had and you spend, like the transaction sum is all the money you spent and you got, you earned. And also we have something else there, and we have income. Yeah, it makes sense. Income, and this one has, what does it have? Yeah, this have this one, and expenses. Yeah, and we have this one. Yeah, it's completely cool. Maybe I'm doing some shit, I'm gonna rebuild it, but we'll see. And also, I want to make this possible. Input is declared but never read. What does it mean? It has some error. Yeah, those are transactions, not like a one. And what we supposed to have here? Expected. We expect to, like, user get stats as like an input to this one, and we supposed to see something like should return stat for all of the, like a global stat, I guess. Global stat. It makes sense. And we need to import this one. Can I import? Yeah, I can. Okay, and we expect to see this one. Now let's go like code, open source, financial telegram bot, and let's make it running at that. And it's supposed to be cool. I have a lot of bottles nearby me. And what we supposed to do right now? Yeah, I can't remember everything. I don't know why. Yeah, we need like make this task passing. Yeah, I shouldn't do this thing. And I should yarn test. Like exactly yarn test, like what do we have? Get stats. I wanna test this one. And let's wait. It shouldn't be skipped. It's probably the simplest stat we can create that we are going to create tests for. Yeah, let's make this stat. And this one should return stats for a specific period of time. Should return stats for specific period of time. It's cool. It's working. And here you go. Let's go to our lovely get stats function. And it's going to give us some stuff. And we need to add like a return stats. Let's return stats. Yeah, what do we have? We have those kind of things. We are passing those kind of things. Yeah. And we need to get everything together. Make like categories and stuff. Let's transactions categories. And those supposed to be like transaction stat, I guess. Transaction stat. Yeah. And here we have, what is that? No, it's not a thing. We will have like this one. It's supposed to be like this one. And yeah, by the way, TypeScript has type analysis right now, and it's fucking cool. Reconnection successful. Let me. Yeah. Hey everybody, once again. Something gone wrong. Internet connection is broken. It was broken, but right now it's cool. Okay, let's proceed. I really forget what we've been doing. Yeah, I wanted to see, do we have some library or something like that? Yeah, we don't have library. Unfortunately, we don't have it. Or fortunately, we have it. Anyway, let's create something in our own. It's not a big deal to create something in your own. And let's make some stats here. And we need to do like key. Okay, key by, I guess. Oh yeah, it's not working this way. Yeah, I can make it. Oh god, is it working? Yeah, it is. Yeah, I had not a lot of drop frames, I think. Okay, we're going to use reduce. It's going to be our. I really forget. It's kind of like the first value is like accumulator in our transaction. It's not like accumulator. Let's say it in more like a specific one. It's going to be like transaction stat. Stat, like stats. Yeah, stats. Transaction. Transaction stats. Okay, it's better. And here we have this one, and if like transaction state is like transaction and tag. If it has this one, we need to do something with this one. Otherwise, we will do this thing. Yeah. What's going on here? Yeah, first we'll need to return our transaction stats. I'm not going to mutate this thing. Of course I'm not going to mutate it. What does it mean? Implicit any? Okay, is it? Yeah, it doesn't have typings. Okay. Now it's supposed to be cool one. Transaction. I don't want to have transaction here. Like a stats. I want to have stats. Or like a transaction stats. Yeah, this is one I have. Okay, it's not a big deal. Transactions. It's like a partial, I guess. Total expands. Yeah, it makes sense. I like a lot of errors. Oh god. And my brain is not working for the end of the day. But we'll try to do something. Yeah, is stream working? It seems like it is. Okay, if we have attack, we're going to do something like that. First of all, we need to do something like that. And then we need to do this like and also I want to check if transaction tag amount, right, is more than 0, then it's supposed to be like a total income 0 and total outcome is 0. What does it mean? And not like an outcome, I have expenses here. Yeah, it's a cool one. And now we supposed to do something with total income, I guess. Total income. And it means like a transaction amount. And otherwise I will do like another shit. But I will do it differently. I'm going to add something to the expenses. Oh god. And cannot be applied by type transaction number. What do you mean? What do you mean, man? Transaction. Yeah, I get you. I get you. Yeah. Possibly is undefined. Of course, it's possible undefined. Okay, current transaction. I love this word. Transcation. I don't know why transcation. I don't really know. But it's transaction. It's almost everywhere transaction. Yeah, transaction. Yeah, I'm doing good. Transaction. Okay. It's better. And transcation. I have transcation once again. Transaction. Transaction. Yeah. And here you go. We have this one. Here you go. We have something to do with. And here we are. Please, I want to check everything out. We will make it running anyway. And oh god. Yeah, let's check them out. Yeah, this test has side effect. Yeah, I'm gonna check it out then later. Get test. And then here we go. This is what we have. Why is it like that? I didn't get it. It's something like this transaction, it's always like undefined or something. It's all falsy. It's not what we need. Oh god, damn it. I didn't tell you anything. Well, let's wait for a few seconds, I guess. Why it's not working? Yeah, it's undefined. It's weird. I'm reducing everything. Transaction stats. Okay. I wanna do this because we always on a way up. Yeah, let's stream until like let's stream for a few like a 30 minutes and it's enough for today. It's undefined. Why is it like undefined? Can I take a look at transactions? Because it's weird. Yeah, because I'm weird. Very good in stats. It's completely cool. No, it's not cool. We're given like a transactions. Yeah, we are. And I want to see everything here. Because I'm really sure that we get in like a normal transaction object array, sorry. But it's not working, but we'll see. We will make this one working anyway. Yeah, this is what we have. And it's supposed to work properly. And it's supposed to work properly here. But it's not working properly. It's weird, you know. Transaction. I want to see this transaction. Because it's undefined somehow. But it's not supposed to be undefined. Yeah, of course it's supposed to be undefined. Or not. It's not. It's not at all. Like it has tag. Okay. If this one is like a cool one, then we should do this thing and then this thing. I have this one everywhere. Transaction. Transaction once again. I need to have it everywhere I can. Transaction. Transaction, yeah. This is how it will work. I really hope to make this done today. And what we have here, like everything is zero. Mm-hmm. Okay, what we're getting here. This is food. Important job. It's working completely well, but somehow it's not. It has total expenses zero. I didn't get this. Why it's not working? It's really obvious, but not that obvious as I wanted to have it. Yeah, it seemed like we are not having it at all. And this one is always undefined. But it's cool that it's undefined. Yeah, this is completely undefined. Oh god, I got it. Not the bug, it's me. Yeah, it's me. I need the same thing, but I have this one. Finally have transaction. Transaction, I don't know, like category. Category. Let's see category. And I need to check whether it's truthy or not. And here you go, we have something to do with. Yeah, do it. Yeah, we should do this in this way. Like this, like this. And here we go. No, we should do this once again. And what do we have? Like a really long task, so it's not that complex one. And total, I didn't get what it means. Total income and total expenses. It's cool. It's supposed to work in this way. And this is what we need to have. And if you're gonna have like this one, everything is going to be cool, right? Yeah, let's make it happen. Yeah. Let me check. Let me see it in a different way. Oh guys, let's check this force transaction finally. Because I had a side effect there. And I wanna check it out and I wanna fix it right now. I have the mock data. I don't need the mock data. Mock date, I guess. It's not gonna be mocked anyway, but we will make it mocked like this one, and then we're gonna have a month, and we're gonna have the yeah, it's mocked right now. And let's see what will happen here. I guess it's passing, but it's not. It's not passing at all. Of course we have different one. It's completely cool. Of course I can make it like that, but then I can define this one. Yeah, it makes sense. Okay. Because it's going to have like a side effect, and we already have it in our tasks, which is not cool. And then let's try to use somewhere else. Let's try to use this somewhere else, yeah. And right here we have this one, and here we can add a new date. And it will be better, like a side effects or within side effects, like, and we're happy. Yeah, it's supposed to work. I really hope, but it's not. It's not working, and it will not work. Like it shouldn't have this one. It shouldn't have like this transaction doesn't have created that until now. And what's going on here? First transaction. We've got something wrong here. Yeah. And here as well. Yeah, let's check everything out once again. It's passing. And this one is not passing at all, because let's check out why it's not passing. Transactions. Every transaction has a date. And it should have a date. Like some transaction has, some of them doesn't have. And also we have this one. Let's go to the stats. I didn't get the task at all. Oh god. Why is those tests are so slow? They are really, really slow ones. Yeah. Oh god. Something went wrong once again. And the expected time come from property created it. This is like in our task. Okay. It's not a big deal. It's not assignable to string. Of course it's not. Yeah. I've done something damn wrong. And it's supposed to work, finally. Our lovely task supposed to work right now, right here. But it's not working, yeah. It's not working. It's okay. But why is not working? And total income. I didn't get that. Like, why it's not working? Like, we have apartment, total income, and total expenses. What wrong do I have here? I didn't get. Like, everything is identical. Yeah, let's go to this something like console. Let's put it right here. Almost like that. Like we have like a object, doesn't really matter. Why it's not working? I'm not getting why it's not working. We have an object. Close our transactions. And let's get right here. Right over this one. And this is what we're supposed to have. And this is what I have. I didn't get this one at all. We have something with an apartment, as I see. Like a total income and total expenses. It's cool. Why it's not working, I don't really know. Why it's not working? God. It's supposed to work. Because let me get this one. Okay. This one. Not really? I guess like this one. And then we get like another one. Yeah, I wanna get this one. Let's like do this, stringify everything. And it should be equal like to this one. Yeah, it should. Oh god, why they're not equal? I don't see differences. Or see, I only have apartments. Yeah, I don't have apartment really. Yeah, yeah, my like a get stats function working perfectly. This is yeah. I'm just yeah. I didn't add this one. Cool. It's even better. And I have expenses like more than that. Apartment and total expense is like this one. Yeah. And let's go to this one and we will get something other than that. Yeah, this is what we have. And this is what we have. Once again. I guess it's kind of it. But it's not that's in, of course. Transaction sum. Yeah, I'm returning like it doesn't really matter. Let's calculate like transaction sum. And yeah. Or I can do this in another way. I can use the data structure I got from this one. And it won't have that like a side effect. Of course it has right now because I changed this like a one of this object directly. And I mutated this one. Like what time is it? Okay. Well, let's finish this one. Seems I'm on a way to finish. Okay, and let's have let's say like income. And I want to go through everything, I think. Yeah. Every single thing. What would I have here? Yeah, I can get this one. Yeah, of course I can. Object values. And I want to get like something from here. I want a map. Category and what do I have here? Total income. Of course I can reduce. But also there are different ways using map. I don't want to make it shorter, I guess. Or we can do this in a more simple way. Like that. And we're gonna do this one. It's either to read, because it's like a pipeline. Yeah, let's make it in this way. Not a big deal. It can be undefined. It cannot be undefined, you know? It cannot be undefined at all. Like if it's income, category, like okay, or here. Why is it like that? Because it's partial, and it can be not like a partial. Yeah, this is how we fix things. We fix them right away. Yeah, here you go. And we have income, and I want to have transaction. Like I can do the same thing with like expenses, I guess. It's really simple one. The purpose of this test is just to make everything done, and then we can refactor stuff later on. And here we have expenses. Expense, I guess. And here we go. We have expenses. And total sum is just income plus expenses. Yep. Well, let's run the test and see what's going on in the chat, which is really idle, I think. Because we didn't have a lot of people here. But this is what we have. Okay, let me take a look at the test. It's supposed to be like this number. Not like this number. It's supposed to be like that. And here we go. We have our test passing. Our lovely test. And let's do some shit. I don't know, let's create a comment. It's gonna be test 1, and then we're gonna proceed in the next one. In the next stream. And let's create a new bot command. With stats. I think operation, we're going to get some things from the user, like a username, and then we're going to get all of the transactions. So yeah, I see I can create a lot of helpers here, but I'm not going to create them because I don't want to. Okay, reply stats, and I want to see what kind of data I'm getting from here. Let's make it fast. Okay, I guess that's it. I can run. Yeah, it was working. And what we need to do is to check everything out. Exactly, check our command. Oh god. Why so many of them? Can I do something like docs, I guess? Like that? But I want to have that many data. I really hope it's working this way. Yeah, let's make stats once again. And here we go. Yeah. Let's add something more like that. We're gonna have expense. And then we can add like, we can use stats command. I'm taking some shit at the end of the night. What does it mean? Guys, what does it mean? Okay, I can map through them. Dog data. And here we're gonna get data. Finally, we're gonna get some data. We are getting data. Oh god. Where's my data? Yeah, here we go. We have data. Seconds, nanoseconds. Okay. It's cool. It's getting us. Yeah, like something like that. Okay. And let's make it once again. I wanna make sure. Yep. And what can we do? We can parse everything, like get stats function, then we can pass this one here. And in the next room we're going to implement some like and transactions. That's transactions. Probably I can do this in a different way. Yeah, this is supposed to work. And yeah, let's check it once again. Cool. We have this one for food, and we have like a transaction sum expenses. It's cool. Transactions. Let's I know. Let's add an income of something. Income of something. This is going to be like $5,000 dollars, and we're going to add like a as no, it's not working in this way. Yeah, it's working this way. Like a business. I don't know, brand. I'm getting money from brand, let's say. And here you go. And we can check everything out once again. Once again, we're gonna check our stats. Yeah, and we'll see this one. We have like a lot of things. Yeah, it's working. It's completely working. And now we can show our stats. Yeah, I'm trying to build some data structures that will be really easy to use, but I'm not sure that it's really easy to use. Yeah, for now we don't have any kind of architecture for the bot because it's just created. We don't need this one. And let's first one is like an income. It's gonna be an income. That's income and outcome. Expenses, I guess. I don't know why I want to say outcome because outcome is more closer to me, I guess. And let's make like town. No, like I wanna make something else. Town. Okay, let's make it in this way. Make it more beautiful, like gorgeous or up. And this is what we can have. And stats. This is what I want to have. Something that is working. But it's not working. It's working. Yeah, I need to do this in this way. Stats. Oh god, damn it. I can do like that. Yeah. I probably need to have a currency. Yeah, I forget about this. But this is at least what we have. We have something to work with. And it's kind of cool. Now let's... Probably I have desire to make some, like, a category. Let's do this in this way. Okay. That's my category. And what kind of data we have? We have this kind of data. And we are going to have stats, transaction. Got transaction. I did transaction. Transaction, and we have those kind of data. And those kind of data are going to be mapped through that. And this is going to be... Yeah, I need to make like an entry. Like the first one is going to be like a category, and the next one will be like a stat. Like category, and then we have stat. Like a stat is income. Total income, yeah. Why it's not working? It's like a number. Yeah, it's right. Like a key, and it's not key, category. A category, and then it's going to be like a stat. Yeah. Income, total income. I want to have like a really big blast. No. Let's use our stuff. I want to make everything like a colorful, but I can't because I didn't have anything to make here. Oh god. Where is that? Yeah, and we have like total outcome. There are a lot of things can be implemented, but this is what I have for now. And total expenses. Yeah, we have expenses. Let's do this in this way. And I want to join everything. I want to join. Yep. I want to join everything like by breaking point, breaking line, and here we go. Yeah, let's do this in this way. And yep, let's check it out. The stats and what we will have, nobody knows. Yeah, it looks weird, I think, but it's not weird. It's just hard to read. Probably like arrows up and symbol. Like I don't know how to make colorful text in Telegram because I really want to have it. Then color text. Really, you can change. It's not really possible. I think arrows will be better because those emoji stuff are really huge and it's really hard to use them. And I want to have like arrows. Arrow down. Arrow down, down. Or mm-hmm. This is what we have. Not really. I want to have like this one. Maybe I would like to have it like everywhere I can. It's better. Of course, there are a lot of mistakes I made so far. But so far so good. And we need this one. We just make it some prototype that everybody can use. And I want to have Slack. And here goes, this is what we have. Yeah, okay, kind of it. I like to make it in another way. Like in this way. Maybe it's better. It's really hard to see, hard to read and stuff. Kind of, kind of. And let's make it in. Let me think. Let's do it in this way. Now let's go to this one. It seems it's better, at least for me. Now let's go to transactions. Transactions, of course, transactions. Transactions, God. Transactions. Probably this is really the hardest thing for me. Is to learn how this word is like a reading. I want to delete this one. I want to delete this one. Let's try to use the app. Like I don't know. Let's say I don't know anything about the app. I don't want to add something. I want to add like $100. Yeah, I think we don't have like a currency here. And probably we should add currency as well. Yeah, let's add currency. So we need to make our test different. Because we have everything, but we don't have currency. Yep, we don't have. Yeah, it will take a lot of time, I think, to make all of the currency working. Then we need to rebuild everything. Yeah, I didn't think about it. But anyway, I think it shouldn't be that hard. Okay, let's say for the first time we will have like American dollars. And that's it. Let's don't have anything at all. It's even better. We don't have anything. And let's go to transactions, add some transactions. And delete this one. Okay. Let's clear. I don't have scheduled messages. And let's clear the chat history and like start from scratch. Of course I don't have. Like let's say I wanna buy food. And that's it. Yeah. And let's imagine I got a salary, or I've got something from a business and I wanna make it here. And it's going to be like a freelance or something like that. And here we have transaction. And what can I do? Apartment. Everybody has apartment. No, maybe not like everybody, but most of the people use apartment. Let's have, yeah. It seems like I have really not that expensive. Like it depends. Like in Ukraine, it's kind of an expensive one, but in US, it's kind of really cheap one. Like apartment. LA. It's not working. Yeah, let's say apartment in LA. Los Angeles. And we have this one, and let's say we have something different than that. We have food once again. Yeah, I have a lot of food, let's say. Food and party. Now let's go transactions. And this is what we have. We have, yeah, it's working completely well. Apartment, let's say I want to see everything I have. I have business. This is how much I spent. This is how much I learned. This is my apartment. This is how much I learned. I have learned nothing. I spent a lot of. Yeah. I have food, income, and expenses. This is what I have. Okay. It seemed like this is everything we have today. Of course, I want to plan a lot of things like in advance to make our streams more productive, I guess. And yeah, thank you for coming. Thank you for everything you've done, even if you've not done. Anyway, thank you for everything. We've done something important today, and see you in the next one. Bye.